Yo, what's up guys? So sa video na to, meron na naman tayong isolve na problem about electrostatics. So we have here a problem. A capacitor of 0.0005 microfarad is to be formed from tin foils, measuring 3 cm by 1.5 cm. The dielectric to be used is 0.5 mm mica film. Determine the number of tin foils required. The relative permittivity of mica is 4.5. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin dito is yung number of tin foils na kailangan natin para makapagpalabas tayo ng 0.0005 microfarad. Okay, so first, sulat muna natin yung formula, no? So kung sa usual capacitance formula, meron tayong C is equal to K A over D, wherein yung C natin is yung capacitance, K natin, constant, stands for permittivity. So, K is equal to E is equal to EO ER. Wherein yung EO natin, yun yung absolute permittivity at vacuum. So, EO is equal to 8.854 times 10 raised to negative 12 farad per meter. And yung ER naman natin, yun yung relative permittivity ng material. Okay? So, ER for this problem is 4.5. And yung D naman natin, yun yung kapal nung dielectric natin. So, for multiple plates naman, so lalagyan lang natin yung formula natin ng N-1. Wherein yung N natin, yun yung number of plates required. Okay? So, solve natin. C, yun yung 0.0005 times 10 raised to negative 6. Since microfarad siya. And yung K naman natin, so EO, 8.854 times 10 raised to negative 12 times yung ER natin, 4.5 divided by D, yun yung thickness nung dielectric. So, 0.05 mm or 0.5 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, dapat same unit yung gamitin natin. So, naka-in meters na to. Next naman, yung A natin, area. So, meron tayo ditong dimension na 3 cm by 1.5 cm. So, 3 times 10 raised to negative 2 multiplied by 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 2. Then, lagay natin yung n-1 natin. Times n-1. So, ito na ngayon yung hinahanap natin. Itong n. So, try nating isolve. So, para ma-isolate natin itong may n-1 dito, so, kailangan nating i-divide both sides by itong portion na to. Ito. Okay? So, try muna natin i-solve to simplify. So, 0.0005 times 10 raised to negative 6 is equal to, solve natin tong portion na to, 8.854 times 10 raised to negative 12 times 4.5 times 3 times 10 negative 2 times 1.5 times 10 raised to negative 2 divided by 0.5 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, ang sagot natin is ito. So, 3.5859 times 10 raised to negative 11 times n-1. Okay, so try na natin isolve yung n natin. So, n minus 1 is equal to, so divide lang natin both sides by itong portion na to. 0.0005 times 10 raised to negative 6 divided by 3.5859 times 10 raised to negative 11. Then, para ma-isolate natin yung n, add lang tayo both sides by 1. So, plus 1 plus 1. So, cancel na to. N is equal to so, store ko na lang sa ano yan, A. So, 0.0005 times 10 raised to negative 6 divided by yung A natin, which is ito, 3.5859 times 10 raised to negative 11 plus 1. So, ang sagot natin is 14.94. Okay. Or, since wala naman tayong decimal na number of tinfoils required, so approximate natin to 15 tinfoils. So, ang sagot natin for this problem is 15 tinfoils required. Or, kung titignan natin yung choices, ang sagot is letter. Okay. So, letter D. Okay. So, with that, thank you ulit sa pakikinig and panonood. See you again sa next video natin. Bye, guys!